Meaning of laparotomy.
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 Laparotomy. Laparotomy is a surgical procedure in which an incision is made in the abdominal wall to gain access to the abdominal cavity. It is often performed to diagnose or treat conditions such as tumors, cysts, blockages, or injuries to the organs inside the abdomen. During a laparotomy, the surgeon may visualize and manipulate the organs directly, and can take tissue samples for laboratory analysis if necessary. The procedure may be performed under general anesthesia and usually requires a hospital stay for recovery.